Looking for the best floor jack to handle your car maintenance with confidence? In this video, we've rounded up the best floor jacks that offer reliable lifting power, durability, and smooth performance for everything from quick tire changes to serious garage work. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a professional, these top picks will help you lift your vehicle safely and efficiently. Starting at number 1, Big Red T8306. The Big Red T8306 Touring hydraulic trolley service/floor jack is robust and reliable tool designed for lifting SUVs and extended height trucks. With a remarkable capacity of 3 tons, 6,000 pounds, this floor jack ensures that you can safely and efficiently handle heavy vehicles. It comes equipped with an extra saddle, providing added versatility and support during use. The striking red color not only makes it visually appealing, but also enhances its visibility in any workspace. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this hydraulic trolley jack is an essential addition to your toolkit. Number 2, ARCAN A201 Floor Jack. The ARCAN Vehicle Service. Jack is designed for a variety of passenger vehicles, SUVs, and light trucks with a load capacity of 2 tons, 4,000 pounds. Its quick-rise performance is facilitated by dual pump pistons that efficiently elevate the saddle to the vehicle's contact point. The jack features a lift range from 3.54 inches to 19.88 inches, providing ample access for service and positioning. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, it ensures easy maneuverability and transport. Additionally, the reinforced lift arm enhances chassis torsion control and overall durability. To protect the vehicle, a rubber saddle pad is included to prevent any marring or damage to contact surfaces. Number 3, ARCAN A214 Floor Jack. The vehicle service type for this product includes lift cars, SUVs, and trucks, making it versatile for a wide range of passenger vehicles. Constructed from alloy steel, it boasts a load capacity of 2 tons, 4,000 pounds, ensuring it can handle substantial weight. The brand, ARCAN, offers this service equipment in a striking black and green color. One of the standout features is its quick-rise performance, which allows the saddle to lift to the load efficiently with fewer pumps. Additionally, the low-profile design enables access under lower vehicles, with a minimum height of 3.5 inches and a maximum lift of 18.11 inches, providing broader service coverage. Designed for repeated professional use in shops and garages, its steel construction is robust, while the wide stance and reinforced lift arm enhance control and resistance to chassis torsion. To protect vehicles during servicing, the rubber saddle prevents marring, and the foam handle bumper safeguards vehicle finishes. Number 4, JEGS Low-Profile Floor Jack. The JEGS Professional Low-Profile 2-Ton Aluminum Floor Jack is designed for efficiency and ease of use, featuring a minimum saddle height of just 3 inches, making it ideal for vehicles with low ground clearance. Its lightweight construction allows for easy maneuverability, while the 360-degree rotating saddle enhances versatility, enabling users to position the jack precisely where needed. This combination of features makes it a practical choice for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 5, TONDA Floor Jack. The TONDA 2-Ton Floor Jack is designed for effortless lifting, featuring a range of 3.35 to 13.98 that allows easy access to low-profile vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. Its dual pump pistons enable rapid lifting, ensuring you can quickly reach the desired height for your vehicle. The jack is equipped with a large rubber saddle that aligns with the side welding seam to prevent bending or scratching of the frame rail, protecting painted or coated chassis components. Maneuverability is enhanced with 2 360-degree swivel casters, making transport simple and hassle-free. Additionally, the side mount handle offers a convenient carrying option. Constructed from high-quality aluminum and alloy steel with a durable blue finish, this floor jack promises long-lasting performance and reliability for various automotive maintenance tasks, supporting up to 2 tons of weight capacity.